How much would you like to get sick less often? Or if you get sick, get treated faster? Do we know the effects of edible substances on the body? Have you ever thought about how animals heal themselves? So it is better to know the benefits and harms of everything we eat. In this channel, I give you information about them. So stay with me. Garlic. Throughout history, garlic has always been known as a suitable treatment for various diseases. Garlic contains vitamins such as vitamin C, B6, phosphorus, manganese, zinc, calcium, iron, thiamine, pantothenic acid, carbohydrates, iodine, chlorine, sulfur, and allicin. There are many medicinal and therapeutic properties of garlic. In this video, we explain garlic's most important properties and disadvantages. Colds and flu. Garlic has antibacterial properties due to the presence of chemical compounds such as allicin. In addition to this, garlic consumption also helps to strengthen the body's immune system and can help prevent and treat infections and viral diseases such as colds and flu. Properties of garlic for toothache. One of the well-known properties of garlic is the treatment of tooth and gum pain. If you are suffering from pain in your teeth and gums, you can relieve and treat the pain completely by cutting fresh garlic in half and massaging it on the painful area. Prevention of osteoporosis. Women who are going through menopause are at risk of osteoporosis, and to prevent osteoporosis, it is better to include garlic in their diet. Consuming garlic can compensate for the lack of estrogen in postmenopausal women, and for that reason, it reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Garlic properties for constipation. As you know, garlic is known as a very strong natural antibacterial agent, and therefore it is very useful for cleaning the intestines from all kinds of harmful bacteria. If you are suffering from constipation, you can count on the help of garlic to clean the intestines. Garlic properties for weight loss. Garlic consumption is very suitable for weight loss because, in addition to reducing appetite, it can increase fat burning. If you want to get rid of belly fat, make sure to include garlic in your diet. Facial acne treatment. One of the important properties of garlic is that it can help act as a natural antibacterial, and for this reason, it is very useful for removing facial acne. In addition, garlic contains rich sources of antioxidants. You can use garlic and yogurt mask for home treatment of acne and pimples with garlic. To prepare this mask, peel 5 cloves of garlic. Then grate them with a fine grater and put them in a suitable bowl. Next, we add a spoonful of condensed yogurt to the bowl and mix until well combined. Apply this mask to your face and wait for 10 minutes to dry. Then wash it with cold water. Decreased blood pressure. The number of people with high blood pressure is increasing day by day. And that is why blood pressure is considered one of the biggest causes of death in the world. But it can be prevented. Regular consumption of fresh garlic can help you lower your blood pressure levels and improve your cardiovascular system. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. Headache and sinusitis treatment. Due to its cooling and soothing properties, garlic can be a home remedy for headaches and can be used to relieve impact headaches. To treat sinusitis, fry some crushed garlic cloves in butter and eat with bread. To treat a headache, you can crush a few cloves of garlic and put them in a small bag or a clean tissue so that whenever you have a headache, you can inhale the aroma of the crushed garlic to relieve your headache. Increased sexual desire in women. Garlic acts as an active agent to increase libido in women because it is from estrogen and it increases libido in women, and as estrogen level increases, libido will increase. Unclogging the veins. Consuming half a glass of garlic and lime extract a day will have a great effect on removing clogging of the veins. By diluting the blood, garlic prevents blood clots and thus reduces the risk of stroke. Harms of garlic. Digestive problems. If you have digestive problems such as stomach aches, or if you have a sensitive and weak stomach, it is better to consume garlic cooked, because consuming raw garlic can aggravate problems in the digestive system. Liver poisoning. Another problem that the consumption of raw garlic can cause to the body if it is consumed in excess is that it causes liver problems and liver poisoning. It is recommended that those who have liver problems Avoid excessive consumption of garlic. Drug interactions. Garlic does not affect the metabolism of drugs, but patients who use anticoagulants such as aspirin should be careful when consuming garlic because garlic prevents blood coagulation. Bad breath. One of the most well-known disadvantages of garlic is its pungent and bad smell that remains for a long time. It is interesting to note that consuming too much garlic causes bad body odor in addition to bad breath, and this can seriously damage a person's self-confidence. Of course, there are solutions to that. If you have any questions or comments, I will be happy if you leave me a comment.